Well, after Punxsutawney Phil made his bold and completely unscientific prediction for an early spring, spring has been pretty hard to come by. March was nearly 3 degrees below average in temperature, and April hasn't been all that warm either. Yeah, we had a couple days in the 80s, but it's been relatively below average in terms of temperatures. And while one season cannot predict the outcome of the next, that's what I'm for, and it's time to bring you the exclusive 2013 summer forecast. Here's a look. One of the reasons that it's been so cool as of late is that our jet stream is in a pretty big trough in the eastern part of the country. Any warmth has been kept at bay. However, this summer we're going to see things change around a little bit, as they normally do. The jet will ride to the north. However, the bulk of the heat and the humidity looks to stay out in the western high plains and also the desert southwest. And then this jet will be cutting in almost right through the area for a good part of this summer. What that means, cooler than the last couple of summers, but nevertheless, we will still have some typical summertime heat to go around this year. So here's my exclusive summer forecast. Let's start you in June. The normal monthly high is 80 degrees. I'm forecasting this June to have a normal or an average temperature this month of 79, which is about a degree below average. Around normal rainfall of about 4 inches. Now, what to watch? The rain will have the last word. What I mean by that is if it rains more, temperatures will actually end up being cooler. If it doesn't rain as much, temperatures for June may actually increase a little bit. So the rain is the wild card for June 2013. Of course, last June was very hot, so this one a little bit different. July, historically, is the warmest month of the summer for eastern Pennsylvania, and this year will not disappoint. We'll be 3 degrees above average for the temperatures. We're also going to be drier than normal, and these two combinations can lead to some possible temporary and short-lived drought conditions during the month of July. But it would be brief, because in August, things would be turning back around. Temperatures a bit above average as we stay warm, a degree above the normal monthly high of 82. Normal precipitation is around 3.5 inches. I'm expecting to be about an inch above that because of tropical troubles. Now, I'm not expecting any direct hits on the East Coast this year. No Irenes, no Lees, no Sandys. However, it does look like a lot of tropical systems could impact the Gulf, and we could get in on the remnants of those. As far as 90-degree days are concerned, in June, I'm expecting 3. Normally, we see 4, and no heat waves this year. In July, though, as I mentioned, summer heat is expected. It will be hot, 10 to 12 days above 90 degrees, 2 heat waves. Finally, in August, I'm expecting between 3 and 6 90-degree days and 1 heat wave. This gives us a summer total of 16 to 21 days at or above 90 degrees, which is somewhere in and around the average of 19 days. Last summer, we had 30 days like this. Finally, let's wrap it up with the tropics. This year, as I mentioned, the East Coast is not the primary target of tropical systems. It's going to be an active year, no doubt, with 16 to 20 named storms for 2013, 8 or 9 becoming hurricanes, 5 of which major hurricanes, and Florida and the Gulf of Mexico the primary targets for this year's hurricanes. Not to say that there will be no exceptions. However, this is the prime target this year. Thankfully, no more Sandys in the near future. That's a look at the summer forecast. Stay cool.